Hello kids, today I came with your new lesson. Are you ready? Okay, today you have to do page 49. Recite. What is recite? Recite කියන්නේ පුතේ ශබ්ද නගා නිවැරදිව කියවනවට. I am going to recite this poem. You look and listen. Ready? Okay. The place so cool is my school. Sing, dance and play. Read, write and say. Teachers love and care. Many friends are there. The place so cheerful is my school. What are the new words you hear? Look, care, care. Teachers love and care. Care ආරක්ෂා කරනවා. Cheerful, cheerful. The place so cheerful. උද්‍යෝගිමත්. The place so cheerful. ඉතාමත් උද්‍යෝගිමත් ස්ථානය. It's my school. This poem tells about what? About the school. Okay, children, now recite after me. The place so cool is my school. Sing, dance, and play. Read, write, and say. Teachers love and care. Many friends are there. The place so cheerful is my school. Recite after me again. The place so cool is my school. Sing, dance, and play. Read, write, and say. Teachers love and care. Many friends are there. The place so cheerful is my school. Now you recite the poem alone. තනියම recite කරන්න පුතාලා. Page 50. Listen and repeat. What can you see here, children? You see a tree. This is a word tree. වචන ගහක්. Word tree. Let's climb up the tree and read the words. ගහට නගින ගමන් අපි වචන ටික කියමු. Love your school. Love your school. Obey teachers. Obey teachers. Play games. Play games. Study well. Study well. Sing songs. Sing songs. Speak kind words. Speak kind words. Share books. Share books. Clean the garden. Clean the garden. Come early. Come early. Protect the environment. Protect the environment. Sweep the classroom. Sweep the classroom. Let's read again. Love your school. Love your school. Obey teachers. Obey. What is obey? Obey teachers. Obey කියන්නේ පුතේ කීකරු වෙන්න. Teachers ලට කීකරු වෙන්න කියලා කියන්නේ obey. Study well. Study well. Study ඉගෙන ගන්න. well හොඳින් ඉගෙන ගන්න. Sing songs ගීත ගායනා කරන්න. Speak kind words. Speak kind words. Speak කතා කරන්න. Kind word. කරුණාවන්ත වචන. කරුණාවන්ත වචන කතා කරන්න. Share books. පොත් බෙදා ගන්න. Clean the garden. පත්ත පිරිසිදු කරන්න. Clean the garden. Come early. උදෙන්ම එන්න. Protect the environment. Protect ආරක්ෂා කරන්න. Environment පරිසරය ආරක්ෂා කරන්න. Sweep the classroom. පන්ති කාමරය අතු ගන්න. What are these children? මොනවද මේ? These are the good habits. හොඳ පුරුදු. You also should practice these good habits. ඔයාලත් මේ good habits පුරුදු වෙන්න ඕනේ. Read after me, children. Love your school. Obey teachers. Play games. Sing songs. Study well. Clean the garden. Share books. Share books. Speak kind words. Sweep the classroom. Protect the environment. Come early. You practice reading. Workbook, page 49. This is Nisal. He says, I clean the garden. I clean the garden. Draw yourself here. Write your name here. ඔයාලගේ පින්තූරය මෙතන අඳින්න. Write your name and say, what do you do? You write the answer here. පාසලේදී ඔයාලා කරන හොඳ දෙයක් ලියන්න. I sweep the classroom. I clean the blackboard. Like that. Activity 2. Draw your school and color. You draw your school here. පුතාලගේ ඉස්කෝලේ මෙතන ඇඳලා ලස්සනට color කරන්න. That's the end of today's lesson. Stay home. Stay safe. Goodbye, children.